everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a brand new 16-piece collection set from Modelones. These are the so there's 18 colours in here, plus you get a base coat and a top coat. Now they're 6ml bottles, so they're only the small bottles, but they'd make a really good gift, or they'd be great for home users. They're obviously not the best salon sizes, but for if you just if it's just for yourself, then they'd be ideal. So I'm just going to show you the colours as what? I'm just going to show you the colours before we get into the design, because I did decide to do a design using some of the colours as well, because I always think it's nicer. I mean, I like swatching videos, but I also like to see a design done with the swatches as well. Although I'm not actually swatching these for you, I'm just going to show you the colours in the bottles. So basically the outside colour of the the outside colour of the bottle is pretty much the colour that's on the inside, apart from the glittery ones, which you'll see as well. There's 2 glittery ones. Now they've got iridescent glitters in, and they've got little silver holographic triangles. They're not overly saturated with glitter, but they would make a really nice overlay on your coloured, on a gel colour. So just bear that in mind. I love this pink here, it's very pretty, very pretty. In fact, we use this in today's set. This one, they all have different names as well, but I thought that I'm not going to show you all the names. This one's actually Cream, that's its name. Oh, this one's Exotic Birds as well, but I love this yellow. Oh, it's bloody beautiful. I am doing a marble set with these. I have done a marble set using Modelones before, but I'm doing it slightly different today. We're going to use a little bit of gold leaf with this set. Isn't this blue nice as well? See, this blue's slightly different to the outside of the bottle. Oh, I love this one as well. So pretty. You know me and my lilacs. My lilacs and my purples, you just can't beat. And then we've got this really gorgeous green. Oh, I'm in love with this colour. This is my kind of green. And then we have got this sort of nudie beige. No, I don't want to call it beige because beige is boring, but I quite like this one. It's nice earthy tone. And then we've got another blue, and then I'm going to show you one of the glittery ones. There was a glittery one at the very beginning, and now there's a glittery one at the end. So this has got more of a bluey tinge to it. I don't know, can you see the, oh, I missed it, that little holographic triangle there, and then and obviously the iridescent glitter through that, so that would make a nice overlay. These are all the colours that I decided to swatch anyway, just to show you all. I've done 2 coats of the glitter, so they've all got 2 coats of colour or 2 coats of glitter plus a top coat on this, so you get a nice selection of colours. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a quick design that I decided to do. So we're going to use the white, which is called Cream. It makes me laugh so much, I don't know why. Okay, so we're going to apply 1 coat of white to our nail tip. If you are doing this on yourself or a client, or or a friend or whoever, you are going to need to do your nail prep and then add a base coat. But because I'm just doing this to show you the design, I'm just literally going to go straight onto this tip. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. Then I've done the same to all the other nails. Then we're going to apply a second coat. I am going to do 2 coats on here. I've sped this bit up, as you can tell. Again, pop it in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds, and then apply a coat to all the other nails. So we're using that gold leaf. Now I've got 3 of the the sort of pinky-ish colours, and I'm gonna plop these next. Actually, this isn't really pink. This is, no, there's only kind of 1 pink. I don't know what I'm about here. But we're going to put them all next to each other like that, and then we're going to use, because I don't have a blooming gel or anything for Modelones. So we're going to use the base coat. This is going to do roughly the same thing. I'm going to apply this to our nail. Now, you don't want to add too much, but you don't want to. You want a nice even coat of this. Don't put too much on because it will flood your flood the sidewalls and the cuticle. And then you can use a gel brush, but I am using an ombre brush. I'm going to scoop up some of the colour. I ended up giving it a quick clean because it had some gel on from the previous time I used it. I don't really clean them, I just squidge the gel out if I can. So look, I'm just going to apply this onto the nail in a particular area. So I decided to go at the top here, and I'm just going to fill that little gap in there. But you see what I've done? I'm literally just going to do certain sections, not going to cover the whole nail. And then I'm going to cure that in the lamp. I'm going to do all of the other nails, but I'm going to add the marbly bit in different places. So this time I'm going to put it on the side. It was a little bit annoying because I had a little bristle that's... I've obviously put the lid on this ombre brush and it's obviously got a bristle caught because that bristle is sticking out. I'll just put a little bit through that centre because I didn't feel like there was enough of that darker colour. And then look, it just leaves a little bit of a stray bit of gel polish there, but it doesn't matter because it kind of added to the nail. And then this one, I have put base coat on here, but I've not cured it. This one, I'm going to put the marble at the bottom. Going to go in with a little bit more. And then you can leave it for a few seconds before you pop it in the lamp, just to kind of let that base coat work as a blooming gel. And then this last one, I'm going to put like just a blob in the center. I'm going to kind of spin it round a bit, and I'm going to add a little bit more in that section there. I felt like it just needed a little bit more, like that. And then I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure. Okay, so now they're all done. This is the part where this is super fiddly, I'm not going to lie. I think this is probably one of the reasons why I haven't used gold leaf for a long time, is because it's so fiddly. So I'm taking little teeny tiny sections, little teeny tiny bits of gold leaf, and I'm adding it to the outside edge of the colour where it meets the white. And I'm going to kind of, how do I explain this? So I want to do like a row of colour. I've got a tickly throat. A row of like gold leaf, and then I want to do some little bits on the white so it looks like it's sort of coming off the line of gold that we put on. You'll see in a minute. I'm so rubbish at explaining. That one I didn't do the best job at, but I'll show you. Right, I'm going to do the rest. I'm going to do the rest of these. So can you see? I've got some of the gold coming away, and it just looks like, it looks sort of like a gold leaf explosion. Does it or not? I don't know. I sort of feel like it does, but I might be absolutely wrong. Just not on that first one, because that was a really bad example. So yeah, I did want to matte top coat these, but because there is no matte top coat in that 16-piece set, I decided just to use a shiny top coat. It looks really nice shiny anyway. So yeah, so we're going to apply top coat to all of the nails, and then we will pop it in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. Modelones do a matte top coat, and actually it is a pretty good matte top coat. These gel polishes are, you don't have to be a professional to buy these, and they are really reasonably priced, and for the price they're pretty good. So just just bear that in mind. If you're a home user, these would be ideal. There we go, pop them in the lamp, and that's the set done. I thought they looked really nice. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. You can get 10% off any Modelones gel polishes using my code Natalie00. I will see you beautiful lot on Thursday with a new video. Love you, bye.